జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 287th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం సురేశ్వరాయ నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that you are the one who takes care of all those who leads their life in a righteous way. O Srimanarayana, you are the Lord of all those who leads their life in a righteous way. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. ఓం సురేశ్వరాయ నమః. ఓం సురేశ్వరాయ నమః. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ, శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Guha is showing the place where Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, they all slept. Guha is showing to Bharata, saying that, oh Bharata, this is where etat ingudi moolam, this is where at the roots of this big tree Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami slept. Idamevacha tatrunam, oh Bharata, these are the grass blades were used for Sita Rama to sleep on. Oh Bharata, Lakshmana did not sleep. Sitamma, Ramachandra Swami slept. Lakshmana, he has taken all of his weapons and throughout the night he was going around Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami and protecting them from all the directions. Oh Bharata, even myself also, along with my all people, have taken all of our weapons and started protecting Mahendra Samana, the one who is compared to Mahendra himself. Such Ramachandra Swami, we protected Rama throughout entire night along with Lakshmana. After all these things, Guha said, Bharata immediately went to that tree and started touching that darbhasaya, all the grass blades on which Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami slept. He started touching that and he called on all his mothers and started addressing them. Oh my dear mothers, please look at this place. This is where my Rama has slept. Mahabhaga Kulinena, my Rama who has born in such a great dynasty, my Rama who has born in such a wealthiest dynasty, my Rama who has born in Ikshvaku the dynasty, he is the one who slept on these grass blades. Oh my dear mothers, please look at this. My Rama, who is the son of Dasharatha Maharaju, slept on the floor. Oh my dear mothers, please look at this. My Rama, who used to always sleep on such a delicate, very wide, very pure, very fragrance-full beddings. Katham sete mahitale. How did such Rama slept on this earth? Oh my dear mothers, Like this, Bharata started addressing all the mothers and crying after seeing that grass blades on which Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami slept. Bharata still saying that, my Rama, who used to be always living in and sleeping in such a great palaces which is built with all the gold and silver, such great palaces which has so many different colorful, wonderful beddings, such great palaces which has so many great flowers and fragranceful flowers, such great palaces which is always decorated with so many wonderful ornaments and flowers, such great palaces, everywhere we get to see beautiful parrots. In such great palaces my Rama used to be living in and my Rama used to sleep. Such great Ramachandra Swami, how did he sleep on this floor? How did he sleep on this grass blades? Oh, my dear mothers, my Rama, who gets to be awakened by beautiful singing, beautiful songs, beautiful instruments, beautiful maids, and all those such a great sounds. With all those great sounds, Kausalya, Supraja, Rama, like this all the people used to awaken my Rama. Such Rama, who used to be always gets awakened by such a great, nice prabandhas, nice praises, nice prayers and Gadya Visheshas. Such great Rama had to sleep on this grass blades and on this floor. My dear mothers, it would have been great if it is all not true at all, if it is all like a dream to me. Like this, Bharata, he's crying and worrying a lot after seeing a place where Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami slept. Bharata, while showing that place to all his mothers, he is crying. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He Raja Rama, He Raja Rama, He Sita Rama, He Sita Rama. 31st sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Amrutam Sudbhavo Bhanuhu Sasabinduhu Sureswaraha Aushadham Jagatassetuhu Satya Dharma Parakramaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Sureswaraya Namaha. Om Sureswaraya Namaha. Om Sureswaraya Namaha.